Right now, the sentiment score for entertainment is sitting at an impressive plus 0.70, which is notably higher than its historical baseline. This indicates a sudden and significant uptick in positive sentiment that we haven't seen recently. What's interesting is that momentum remains flat at plus 0.00, suggesting that while sentiment is strong, it hasn't yet translated into broader momentum shifts. Our API provides you with real-time sentiment analysis across various topics, returning detailed insights that can enhance your applications. Imagine integrating this into a content recommendation engine. With the current spike in entertainment sentiment, you could dynamically adjust recommendations to feature more positive content, effectively engaging your users. Explore more at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs and start leveraging the power of sentiment data in your projects.